Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Tata Power. Tata Power is the ticker name also, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart for Tata Power, and these are all the technical indicators deployed on this stock for analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. And we have data since 2008 onwards up to 2017 November 17th for Tata Power to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, as per our data, the stock has reached its peak. In 2008 itself, and that time it was trading at 148. Okay, and today the stock is trading at 88 rupees 95 paise. Okay, and you can clearly see that I'm keeping crosshairs here so that you can clearly understand the movement of the stock. The stock had been there is a lot of sideways movement, and on top of that there is some range bound movement. You see, the most of the time I'm keeping the crosshairs here. See, this is the bottom point, this is the bottom, this is touching the point of line, and the recent bottom hit were at this level at this time in August 2015 and and February 2016. That time the stock was trading at 53 rupees. That was the lowest price, recent lowest price that the stock has reached, and the highest price was this one, the peak price 91, here. And March 2017. In March 2017, the highest price the stock reached was nearly 91, 92 rupees nearly. So this is the performance of the stock. Actually, Tata is itself is a huge brand, and the company is performing like this. The stock is performing like this. It's quite bad. In all these years, the stock couldn't cross even 500 also. That is a very bad situation. But recently, the stock Tata Power has in the second quarterly results of Tata Power has there is a huge boost in its recent second quarter results, and on top of that, it is gung ho on the renewable portfolio. It recently started in Mundra, I think. Yeah, and it is like Tata Power is betting on that. So these are all the new ways. New things that it had added to the portfolio. Renewables is one new thing that it added to the portfolio, and it is very much. It wants to prove it itself on that. That is one thing, and even the quarterly results are also good. The recent quarterly results are also good. Maybe because of that reason, we are seeing some sort of bullish phase in the stock. We are seeing some sort of bullish phase in the stock here. But anyway, we'll come to that later. But for a long period of time, the stock had been under the negative super trend mode, which you can clearly see. And recently, it has come under the influence of positive super trend mode, and the stock has already crossed its 50 and 20-day moving averages, which is good. Relative strength of the stock is good. Is bad actually. Is bad, but it is rising. But we will see that later. But it is not up to the mark. Direction strength is going down, crashing down. Stochastics, okay, is playing below the midpoint, which is bad. The fast line is on top of the slow line. That is the only good thing there. And if you look at the price volume, in the recent months, in the recent years actually, 2016 onwards, I am seeing a constant this thing. There is no major change or no spike in price volume. Momentum is just lying on the baseline, not good. Not up to the mark. And the balance of power is just entered the bullish phase, and elder ray is supporting that bullish phase. So both the balance of power and elder ray both are in sync with each other when it comes to the bullish phase. Okay, that's good. But the point is, there are so many factors here which are lacking, which the stock is lacking when it comes to make it eligible for long-term investment. For example, strength, momentum, direction, everything is lacking. They are not up to the benchmark level. On top of that, the stock has just entered the bullish phase. I mean, maybe it might be a temporary entry, or we don't know. We are yet to see that. Maybe because of the quarterly results, the people started buying it, and because of that, it started. It entered the bullish phase. It can also happen like that. So it is like, I want to, when it comes to the long term investment, I want to keep the stock in wait and watch mode, and we will come back to the stock later after a few days. So that is the conclusion for the stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.